Okay, class, now look at one-sided limit here. Okay, so for one-sided limit, limit of fx when x goes to a from left-hand side can be positive infinity or negative infinity. Similar to when x goes to a from right-hand side, it can be positive infinity or negative infinity. Okay, so this one we consider infinite limit, right? Okay, so next, if we have limit of fx when x goes to a from right hand side, we got positive infinity, but for limit of fx when x goes to a from left hand side equals negative infinity. Sama atau tidak? Tak sama, right? Okay, so we can see that limit of fx when x goes to a does not exist, since limit of fx when x goes to a from right hand side not equals to the limit of fx when x goes to a from left hand side. So in order to the limit exist, kiri dan kanan perlu sama. Kalau tak sama, we can say that the limit of a function when x goes to a number does not exist. Okay, so for example here, okay, so before this we consider, do you remember, we consider y equals 1 over x. 1 over x. Okay, y equals 1 over x here. So from right hand side here goes to 0. Y goes to 0 here because of vertical asymptote is x plus 0. But this function is not defined. Y is not defined at x equals 0. Okay, so this one from right hand side. From left hand side, this one. Sama tak limit dia? Okay, so we can write that limit of fx or 1 over x when x goes to a from right hand side is positive infinity. Okay, and then limit of fx when x goes to a from left hand side equals here negative infinity. So okay, this one is negative infinity. So you can see that this value are not equal. So the conclusion is, since this one is not equal, so you can see that limit of 1 over x when x goes to 0 does not exist. Okay, do you understand about this? Kalau limit dia tak sama kiri dan kanan, so we can say that the limit does not exist. Okay, so this one I can show ya. Okay, so I stop here for this video. This one is for one-sided limit where where two-sided limit does not exist. First topic here, first topic before this, the limit or two-sided limit exists. This one exists. Kenapa dia exists? Because of we have one-sided limit. Okay, from left and right are equals. Okay, the value when the value for limit from the left is equals to the value of limit from the right. So we can say that one-sided limit exists. Okay, but for this example here, you can see that nilai dia tak sama. So bila nilai dia tak sama, you can say that two-sided limit does not exist. But or you can write here limit of fx when x goes to a does not exist. Okay, so I stop here.